you're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen, and to ultimately impress the wife. Hello YouTube fans, Stan here for another episode of Impress the Wife, and today we are making a copycat of the legendary Quickly Chicken Popcorn. Oh yes, I know, you can thank me later. Plus, for added validation, my wife was so impressed and even said that my version is so much better. So let's start. Here I have chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breasts, but they won't be as juicy. We are going to expose and remove the bone that's hidden in the center. Run your knife starting from the top all the way down to the bottom end. You'll have to do this a couple of times. Use the bone as your guide when slicing in order to minimize the meat that will be left clinging to it. Once you've exposed the bone, you are going to detach it from the thigh and scrape as much meat out of it. We'll then cut the thighs into cubes. It depends how big you want them to be. Once you got that out of the way, we'll start seasoning. Salt, white pepper, sugar, chicken powder, 5-spice powder, and lastly sesame oil. Give this a good mix and we'll move on to our seasoning powder. In a shallow pan, add salt, 5-spice, and white pepper. We'll toast these briefly only until the aroma is more pronounced, about 2 to 4 minutes on high heat. Remember the Chinese pork ribs mystery that I was talking about? This is how they do the seasoning powder. Anyway, transfer it to a bowl and we will add red chili powder and white sugar. Let this cool down and we're just one step away from frying. Coat the chicken pieces well in cornstarch or tapioca starch. The mixture should not be wet. Let's start frying. Heat up your oil to medium-high heat. Drop the chicken pieces one by one. Give them a stir frequently to ensure an even cooking. Once they are golden brown, transfer them to a bowl and immediately sprinkle the seasoning powder while tossing. And that's it. As simple as that. Just finish the rest of the chicken pieces. Thank you, Stan, for saving me a trip to the Quickly store. I know. The only thing that I won't be able to provide is the taro milk tea. Man, oh man, I am craving right now. Let me know what you think though. Give this a try and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Until then, see you next time.